Hi and welcome to Friday's live trading video. This is Charlie. I'm sat here with the guys in the trading room this morning. It's 8:30 now. This is the second recording I've done because the first one was already a minute in, and there's nothing going on. So basically, there's nothing that we're liking at this stage in the morning. We do have Powell speaking this afternoon. Could well be until later this afternoon before I take any trades today. So it's always good to just sometimes sit back and not force it if you think, oh, we've got certain pieces of news out later, fairly big news. I don't have to force it because there'll probably be some trading to be done after that. And if nothing's that sweet or that good a setup earlier in the day, well, just leave it alone and wait patiently. So that's what we're probably going to be doing. Okay, just back. I've been chatting away with the guys in the trading room. We've been talking about blasts from the past. We have confessions on a Friday. I share a story from the past and at a certain time, and we've just been doing a long story there about a chap that I met up with yesterday in London, Max, who I mentored like 13 years ago, and he now works at Merrill Lynch, and he's 30 years old now. He was only 17 when he came with his dad many years ago. Anyway, so I was talking about some of the stuff that I was chatting with him about yesterday. Now, as we can see, this euro dollar has come up. So in theory, I've made the wrong decision here today in saying, do you know what? I'm going to leave it until until Powell starts speaking, because I could have bought the euro here this morning. This is where I was going to buy it. I was talking to the guys this morning at the 5-minute 50. I went a little bit lower, but that would have been fine. And look how much has come up. So I took that decision this morning that, oh, it might just chop around, what's the point in getting chopped up when we got this news coming out? I've taken that decision, and as a result, I've missed out. Now, that comes back down to, now you could very easily, if you were a trader and you've taken a decision like that, think, oh, I've missed out, and then you want to jump in and chase the market. You have to wait now. Got to be patient. So I'm recording. Where are we now? It's 12:45, pretty much. So we've still got just over 2 hours to go until the Jackson Hole speech from Powell. So I've got to basically sit back and wait now. Where's it going to be in the next 2 hours? It could be that much higher, but I can't justify chasing it now. So right now, my hands are tied. I'm sort of sitting here wishing I was in, but as I always say, better to be sitting on the outside wishing you were in than being on the inside wishing you were out. So right now, we are playing this waiting game. I can obviously, with hindsight, say, oh yeah, should have put a trade on, but that's all nice and easy to say that. But never mind. It's not been a bad week. It's been a decent week. But we'll see what happens yet, and whether we can get some trades off. Whether it's on the euro this afternoon, whether it's on the pound this afternoon, the pound's coming up again after yesterday's sell-off, or whether it's on Aussie dollar. The Aussie dollar's coming up today after yesterday's sell-off as well. So the euro's that bit stronger, obviously, as you can see here. But probably on one of these there'll be some sort of trade. So we shall see. Be back later. Okay, just back, and it is just coming up to 3 o'clock, so we've got just over a minute or so to go. Just chatting here with the guys in the room. We've been basically playing a waiting game today. Not done any trades, so we've just been waiting to see if we're going to get any trades as we come in just a bit after 3 o'clock or sometime in this next hour. So depending on how the markets move. Overall, I'd like to see the euro go up to at least 116.28, which is the high from the 8th of August. So that's what I'd like to see. I've missed out now, obviously, on that opportunity from earlier on today. But we just got to wait and see what Powell says, how the markets start reacting to Powell. But overall, I have a bullish bias. Even if it was to pull back a bit this afternoon, will it hold, and all of that? So I guess we'll have to see. So I'll be back when we get close to seeing what goes on, and I'll press record again once the market's all moving and I'm ready to take a trade. Okay, getting ready to go long euro. Let's see if we can get a unit in. Okay, long at 03, long at 03, 03 long, 03 long. So we've got one unit in at 03. I'm looking for 26 as a minimum. So now I could get this wrong, and so I've got wrong 03. I'm going to put a stop down at 115.80. So I'm going to quickly do that. just in case. 115.80. 1.1580. So we are long euro dollar, targeting a minimum of 116.28. So if we can get a little bit, if we can get a positive close here on this 5-minute chart, I will then look to add to the position. And my wife's calling me right at the wrong time again, as she so often does. Okay, so we've had those first comments come out, but I had a feeling that the euro just shrug it off. So we are at a point where we are long, and we want to see if we can add to this. So I've got long at 03, stops at 115.80. I'm going to get another one in, I think, guys. What time are we at? Oh, it's only 02. Oh, I've got to wait. A bit too early in the bar before I do another one yet. But we had that negative. We've done a reversal. Just want to see if it can hold. If it can hold, then we're in. So, and hopefully it doesn't go straight there. So we're looking at a minimum of 116.28. Be nice. Now, although I'm looking for a 116.28, on a swing basis, I'm seeing more potential on the long side of the euro dollar. So I may well be putting some sort of more swingy based trades on as well. So this unit we may well take once it breaches past 116.28, but I think there's more. So where are we now? We're still up 3 minutes 40 into this 5-minute bar. Not looking very good for me getting more units in yet, is it? So it looks like we're going to get to that 28, so I'm pleased about that. 116.28 we should go to. We've got strength here across the board, across a lot of these markets. So I want to see some more follow through. We're at 04 now, 4 minutes past the hour. So I'm going to be building a position here, folks. So for the swing. So let's get another one in at 26. And we've just gone to 30 odd. Okay, so we've gone beyond. So from the day trading perspective, we've already done the minimum criteria that I wanted. Guys, you could bank now if you wanted to. We got in at 03-ish there. So do I want to bank it, even though I'm looking for more upside? For the day trade, for the video, I'd like to bank it for you. We're sitting on about £180 in profit currently off screen. But so that could be it. It doesn't have to keep going this afternoon. That could be it. But I'm still looking to get more entries in on a swing basis here at the moment. So as we're just closing out this 5-minute bar, we get a little bit of a pullback, and I'm going to be putting I've just put a second unit in. Let's see if we can get a small pullback here. So we've got the 2 units in. Let's see if we can get a small pullback. If we don't, then if we get up to around about 50, if we just have a little run up to about 50, then maybe we'll take that unit off from the day trade. But if we can pull back a little bit here, then I'll add some more. So the add-ins are more for the swing. So there I'm looking for 117 or so for that. So, but I should really be banking profits here on the original one. So let's bring that one over. Here it is. So we've got in at 03 here. We're at 28. We're sitting on a 170 odd of profit. I should really be banking a profit on that one and coming out, but I haven't done that as yet. So if we come back up again, then I'll do that. So, but I've been very relaxed on this. But at the moment, I'm still more focused on getting these, at least maybe some more positions in based on my wanting to hold going into next week. Okay, so let's just see if I can get another position in on this little bit of a pullback, get a little bit of a pullback here to my outer band, and then I'll go in. But anyway, so the day trade, we're getting there. If we can get back up into the towards 30, then I'll close that day trade. There we go, 30 point something there. So let's have a look here. All very quick here this afternoon. We've waited around all day. I'm still going to build this position once I finish this video with the guys in the trading room here. Here it is. Got in at 03 there. Just come out at, got positive slippage there at 31. That was handy. But still in this entry here from 27, which I've only just got in. So 206 quid there, we just banked. But as we can already see, the euro is going higher. So that's a positive. I'm going to leave you to it. That's the end of today's live trading video because I want to get on with doing some other stuff with the guys in the trading room here. And I'm going to press stop on the recording. So we had yet another winner there. All done quickly today.